So I just want to show you that this knife is not a sharp knife. I gotta fight just to get it through this sponge. And look, I'm not getting very far. Hi, I'm Chef Don McMillan, and welcome to Simple and Delicious Recipes. Alright, I'm not cooking today because I'm going to show you how to keep your knife sharp if you don't have a knife sharpener. It's so easy, and you'll love these tricks that I'm going to share with you today. So let's get started. Okay, look, these are the items I'm going to show you how to sharpen a knife. We've got a beautiful rock right there, a nice stone. That's from the river stone. And we have an emery board, the bottom of a mug. Yeah, I know you've got mugs at home. We're going to use another knife to sharpen it, and we're also going to show you how to keep it sharp with the steel. Let's do it. So I just want to show you that this knife is not a sharp knife. I got to fight just to get it through this sponge. And look, I'm not getting very far. Yeah, it's actually pulling it, really? Okay. But let's do a little number on it, all right? First of all, I have this river stone, right? And what I want to do is get one that has a nice surface to it. A little bit of roughness on it is fine. And what we're going to do is we're going to sharpen your knife from the bolt to the tip. And what you do to one side, of course, you're going to turn it around and do it. So that's one way to put a little bit of a nice edge on your knife. Next one is going to be the emery board. I'm putting it close to the edge for me. I'm placing my knife down at about a 20-degree angle up, going again from the bolt to the tip. You hear how it's going across that grate, just like that? So we're removing just a little bit of the metal, just like that, to keep our knife sharp. Now we're turning around and do the same thing. So what you do to one side, of course, you do to the other. Okay, so we have, this is our mug, using the bottom of the mug, okay? We're just going to use that unglazed part that's right there on the bottom. See how that works? That'll give it just enough grit to put a hone on your knife. When I use another knife to sharpen my knife, I use this part, not the blade part, this part, and just run it this way, look. Just like you would, say, a steel. But that will sharpen your edge. You have these at home. I'm pretty sure you've got one in your knife set, your toolbox, whatever. Probably don't even use it, okay? So this is called a steel, and this is designed to keep your sharp knives sharp. And what you want to do is you want to bring it down from the bolt to the tip like this. This will stop it from hitting your wrist, okay? So don't dismay about that. However, you can do it this way. It works just as well this way, and it works like this. And these will keep your knives sharp. So when you have a sharp knife, just put it on the steel and you've got it. Well, let's see if this works on the sponge. Ta-da! So, when you're cooking with Chef Don McMillan, you can learn so many wonderful tricks of the trade. Hey, hit us below, and we'd love to have you sign up for Patreon. Also, want you to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And in addition to that, please share the information and also share in the comments, because I read every comment. I'd love to respond to your comment and share some information about knives and how to keep them sharp as well. And remember, always, when you're cooking with Chef Don McMillan, it's simple and delicious.